This month is the 250th anniversary of the founding of the United States, which started with a revolution. Up until the 17th century, the word revolution only described the cycles of celestial events. But when the French Revolution happened in the late 1700s, the meaning quickly changed to mean overthrowing a government. Both meanings of the word are an apt metaphor for where this country is today. The United States is in a cycle that was first identified by astrologers when they charted the U.S. birthday and the movement of planets affecting the country. Without getting into the weeds, the cycles in 1776 saw revolution, war, upheaval, a national identity crisis, and immense citizen unrest. The same cycles are repeating again in 2026. The country birthed itself in 1776. In 2026, it's again rebirthing itself, but with a different sense of direction and purpose amid domestic factions that want different outcomes. The idealism of 1776 is surrendering to the realities of 2026, where failures in social safety nets, education, healthcare, defense, and communication are forcing major restructurings in all those systems. The revolution is already in progress. American psychic Edgar Cayce predicted that the U.S. would enter a period of upheaval and political unrest under a strong, polarizing leader. Power would be abused and corruption would run wild. He said, "Truth and lies will be intertwined, causing individuals to look deep for clarity rather than relying on external sources." Where are we in 2026 as these systems unravel? We're actually in a cycle of initiation. The soul of the nation, as well as its national identity, needs realignment. We do have a spiritual and ethical core, and it transcends individuals, but it collects potency as a group soul. It shapes destiny and character, and it shapes the unconscious driving force behind the country's actions. Despite the upheavals, Edgar Cayce saw a new covenant for this country. It was one where light would emerge out of the darkness. That light would be held by small ethical communities who would come together and commit to unity, mutual cooperation, and the oneness of all humanity. He insisted those small communities would ignite remembrance in the souls of others. He concluded that, in time, we'd come to our senses and return to the ideals and values held in the highest regard by the original colonists in 1776. Let it continue with the work we do every month as Blue Light Ambassadors. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that we can and will bring forth the birthright of a new consciousness. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that regular citizens will step forward to be included in this new consciousness. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that when fearless people of courage make themselves known, it will be for the most benevolent outcome of all people.
Joe and Patricia now invite you to participate in the beautiful blue light meditation, the 3 portals of pure being. The link to that meditation can be found in the show notes. If you'd like to join the Blue Light Meditation Global Initiative, please know that the link to their newsletter is also in the show notes. Happy birthday, America!